If your Mez email is not receiving messages, the problem is usually easier to fix than you think. In this video, I'll show you the 2 most common reasons this happens and how to resolve them step by step. The first issue is storage. Microsoft links your Mez inbox storage with your OneDrive cloud storage, so if either one is full, incoming emails can be blocked completely. The second issue is the focused inbox feature, which can make it seem like emails are missing when they're actually just sorted into another tab. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and log into your Mez email through the Outlook web portal. Once you're signed in, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. This opens the Outlook settings panel where you can manage your account and email layout. Next, go to Account, then select Storage. Here you'll see a breakdown of your Microsoft storage including OneDrive and email storage. Take a careful look at the usage bars. If either one is at 100%, that is very likely the reason you are not receiving new mail. Microsoft will stop accepting incoming messages when storage is full. To fix this, you need to free up space permanently. Start by deleting large emails with attachments that you no longer need. Then go into your deleted items folder and empty it completely, because deleted messages still take up storage until they are permanently removed. You can also check for large files in OneDrive if your cloud storage is full, since that can affect your mailbox as well. After clearing space, give it a few minutes and then refresh your inbox. In many cases, mail delivery will start working again almost immediately. Now, if your storage is not the problem, the next thing to check is the focused inbox. Outlook automatically separates messages into 2 tabs called Focused and Other. A lot of people think they are missing important emails, but the messages are simply sitting in the Other tab. So before making bigger changes, click both tabs and see whether the missing email is there. If you want to turn this feature off completely, go back to Settings, then Open Mail, then Layout. Scroll down to Focused Inbox and unselect the option to sort messages into Focused and Other. Once you disable it, all of your mail will appear in one inbox instead of being split into 2 tabs. That makes it much easier to see everything in one place and avoid confusion in the future. After making these changes, send yourself a test email or ask someone else to email you and confirm that messages are coming through properly. If you still are not receiving mail, double-check your storage again and make sure the message is not being filtered, blocked, or sent to another folder. But in most cases, clearing storage and reviewing focused inbox solves the problem. So to quickly recap, if Mez email is not receiving messages, first check whether your Microsoft storage or OneDrive storage is full, then clear out large attachments and permanently empty deleted items. And finally, review or disable focused inbox so you do not miss messages in the Other tab. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.